I think I'm gonna test out the prowess of these trail lights through an actual trail. So the road, you know, it's still kind of bright out. The road tends to brighten things up a little bit. So we're gonna bump into a trail system here that heads me back to my cabin. And we're gonna see how well these lights actually work on the trail. Hopefully you guys can see them on the GoPro. I don't know how well it does at night, but we're gonna try it out. So let's hit this little road here. That forest looks dark and uninviting. Perfect for testing out my rock crawling lights. Very good, very good. All right, I'm really liking the way these are lighting up my trail. Now I have my high beam on, so that's lighting the way up ahead, and my rock lights are lighting up the stuff that's directly in front of me and on the side. So it's really giving me a good, nice illuminated LED, bright LED view of what I want to see up ahead. And there's so many rocks in these trails. They can really catch you off guard. So what we're going to do is flip off here, give you a little contrasting view. The headlight on the Monkey is fairly good, but these rock lights certainly help out. That's a little rock ledge there. Alright, so let's give it a test. So this is a really rocky downhill section. Let's turn off the auxiliaries. Alright, so this is regular low beam. This is how it comes if you buy it. Then we got high beam. The high beam's a nice little boost. And then we're gonna go rock lights. And as you can see, it lights up everything directly in front of me. And it floods out a little bit further ahead too. So really happy with this setup. And you know, you don't need to get these Bison Offroad rock crawling lights like I got. I'm going to link in the description where I got them and all the parts that I used to put this kit together. You can get these Amazon little light cubes, like LED light bar cubes, and I recently put one of them on to Renan's CRF 50, and I hooked it up with a DeWalt battery adapter that I got from Amazon and a little switch, and I can run the LED light cube on that CRF 50 on a DeWalt drill battery, and that thing honestly is probably as bright, or if not a little bit brighter, than my setup here. So you don't need to spend big bucks on illuminating your way. Obviously these rock lights, the way I was able to mount them is key, and they're not big and bulky, but if you don't mind big and bulky, then you can save yourself some money and get properly outfitted with an Amazon setup for less than 50 bucks, I'd say, because those little light bar cubes that I got, probably like 35 bucks or something like that. You get two in the kit, and then you get the switch for another 10 bucks, and the DeWalt battery adapter for like 15 bucks. Well, you don't need that for the Monkey, but yeah, you can get outfitted pretty cheap with this stuff if you put together a kit from Amazon. So alright, well, I'm coming up to my final descent here, and I'm gonna hit some deep woods once more and then pop out on the other side by my cabin. We'll hit one little last super technical downhill here that I like to do to keep myself tuned up for vintage motocross season. I don't know, I think I might try some hair scrubbles. I might change my trajectory of what I want to do with motorcycles this year. So I like this little technical run here. Little log hop, little ledge drop, another log hop. Not really a hop, but come down through some sharp edge obstacles, make a right turn, cut through these little sticks, avoid, and I will pop out right here back home at the cabin. So hope you guys enjoyed that. two videos in one, basically. There'll be two videos here if you didn't watch this one. The other one's going to be about finding the place where they filmed the marvelous Mrs. Mavel, and this video of course is about the lights. So hope you guys enjoy everything I'm doing on the channel. Let me know what you think, and really appreciate your time and watching, and I hope that you guys liked it so much as to hit a like, subscribe, or even send me one of those thank you things that YouTube is doing now. So alright everyone, thanks again, and we are going to shoot off fireworks because it's 4th of July. See you next time.